30.
Alright, so we just got in, Ben here, and we're just gonna do all of our pack openings. We're just gonna go around. Mitch, Marcus, and Ken. And Marcus also bought 3 straight victories.
I don't know, just good trade bait. Just like, my card will always just hover around for 2. Oh my gosh, 2 guys! No, Dodging Dragon. Oh, dude, I want that.
Keeping Darkness. Nice. Keeping Darkness.
Gotten that card so many times.
Right there.
Let me open the box. Okay.
Yeah. eggrollfilms. Oh. Subscribe. Everything.
That's okay.
Shark.
Any shark?
No shark.
I thought Maxi came in Storm of Ragnarok.
did.
Oh.
Yeah.
Another one of these?
Ooh, ultimate.
Alright, yeah.
So those are Ben's 2 pulls.
You're about to close 4s. Oh, it's not.
What?
Just maybe for a future deck. What about the hobby week? Or trades? No, I'm just kidding. The only thing I really saw was the close 4s. Okay.
Last pack?
Shark.
Oh, nice.
Look it up, man. I need a shark.
Yay. Satisfied.
Oh, I'm using that. Sorry. I just got that.
This is the last one?
One more.
Oh, dang.
Anybody else want it?
Please, Hornet.
5.
Do you have any black hornet happens?
I do not.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is a shark? Nice.
Yeah. Just shark.
So Marcus just pulled a shark. So.
Shark.
Oh, look there.
Alright. Got Mitch, Captain Threesome.
Dude, I always that shitty clothes. Ooh, yeah, mention it. Oh, you didn't turn this in?
Where? Oh, you turn it in?
Yeah.
Whoops.
You don't?
That's how you get your packs and stuff.
Oh well, got my packs.
Redo it. You get more packs.
Ninjutsu Art of Rust.
Hey, Zaylan.
Yeah, my never guarded it.
Yeah.
Alright, just like here.
No, dude, I traded it off to some chump.
Ultra.
How much is shark? 30? 20?
How much is shark?
Watch it like win me a game.
Well, 15 and up.
Oh,
Jared, 30.
30. They went back up.
Yeah.
I thought they went down.
No, wind up, other one, the
rat?
The rat's 15 20. The shark is solid 30.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not the other way around?
No.
Stephen Park, please come up to the Joseph.
Sam said people were selling rats for 10 apiece.
Hey Ben, do you have a Utopia, right?
A Utopia? Ray?
Hopper. Bad pulls.
Can you open yours?
You have one? Can you borrow it?
Your turn, James.
Ken, open yours.
Oh, Ken's busy. I hear. It's still recording.
Only the best.
Oh, yeah, oh, you want to do your Oh, yeah, your pack. James pack. What's up, what's up?
Wow,
So we got a Danny Pond.
Was that the promo one or was it the other one?
We pulled a rat last time, right?
Me? Yeah, for sneak peek. But I'm probably gonna get crap pulls for this.
James is gonna make
Ninjutsu Art, Super Transformation.
Oh, close four. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Chance Arch me.
Like 3 or 4.
I really wouldn't even know you.
Dragonfly, nice. Not bad.
Hanzo.
Oh, Hanzo, nice. Getting good packs right now. Last pack.
Last Hanzo. I need an ulti Hanzo.
Looks like something.
Ulti Hanzo? Nope.
Nice.
Alright, nice. Alright, and Ken.
Did you open yours? Oh.
Oh, we want for the Hanzo.
I'm gonna probably hang on to it for now.
Yeah, just alright. Anybody need sharks?
You want shark? You want shark? No.
I'm trying to get rid of them.
You pull anything, Ken?
No.
Oh, won it.
Ooh, nice.
Jeez, sorry, bro. This guy. He's gonna top again.
Yeah, no, this guy, man.
What are you playing today, Will?
Yes! Oh my god!
Again. I told you.
How many packs do you have left? 2?
One.
Still have one?
Technically, if I would to go, you would have gotten what 10 guys.
Don't carry this pack. Yeah.
Oh my, good job, dude. Good pulls. Someone needs to go home already.
Alright, and then, Andrew, you want to open your pack?
Sure. This guy, tour bus right here. Rare. Yeah.
What, another chaos card?
Blade Armor Ninja.
Blade Armor Ninja.
Yeah. I think I'm just gonna.
Yeah, that pulled shit. That's not cool. Everyone's got.
Oh, not me. I never do.
It looks like something.
I know. Right? 2 more packs. Yeah. 2 more packs of Destiny. Destiny. White Knight.
Oh, White Dragon Ninja. Nice.
Up on that.
It's a secret.
I know, right? Secret.
Yeah, hell's it pulled.
James, what you playing today? What's up? What you playing today? Last pack. What are you playing today? What are you playing?
Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Stun.
Dude, that's what counts right here. Yeah, I know. Any other packs?
No. Me.
Oh, do you have pack? Oh.
No.
Did you pull anything?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, you want to do your pack open?
Yeah. Tag me.
Alright.
I know. Might as well. Do that and save one. Oh yeah, we it's so sick.
It's on a store.
Oh, yeah, crap. We got crap here. What do you think, Ben? Tour bus?
Nice.
Yeah. Nope. We got a line of rat though.
Oh, that's not bad.
We got a rat.
That's not bad.
Alright, got 10 bucks. What else we got? Yay, spear. Alright.
Packs?
Alright. Fourth back.
Yep, I got new.
Oh, we got crap again. We got a Shrine of the Mist Valley.
That card's so bad.
Hang on to it for me. And then afterwards,
Alright.
after we're done and stuff.
Last pack.
It has to be good. It has to be good.
I'll pick it up from you.
Oh, he was a little heavy.
808.
Oh, it's an ulti. What ulti is there?
It's a ninja.
Hanzo, man.
It's Hanzo? Is it Hanzo?
Oh, it's black. Oh, ulti black.
So it's a ninja.
Aww.
Wow.
Darkness.
Alright. Did you already open yours, Zaylen?
Yeah.
Did you pull anything?
No. Twin photon lizard.
Oh, Alright.
Should play agents.
Thanks for watching, guys.